by Jeff and Von, and this is the makeup tutorial of Signature Makeup. First, linisin po natin yung mga excess hair. Moisturize the eyes for the contact lens. Use contact lens tools for the application. Apply ample amount of the color corrector. Once done, gently blend it to achieve seamless effect. Of course, first, kailangan po i-prep muna natin yung skin ni client. Next is application of foundation. It may look like a mess, but don't worry, sa umpisa lang po yan. Use a wet sponge to dump the product to evenly distribute the product on every pores of the face. Get your favorite illuminizer and apply small amount on the T-zone. While by the help of your favorite pressed powder, sa outer corner naman po ng face to mattify it. Color of eyeshadow for the eye. Dark brown eyeshadow for the depth, dyan lang po sa may pilik mata. And blend it well for the chromatic effect. Create an angular depth, dyan lang po sa dulo. And always blend it for the seamless output. Gradually add products lang po hanggang sa ma-achieve natin yung effect na gusto natin. Paunti-unti lang po para hindi bigla. Use black gel liner dyan po sa upper lash line. And do it portion by portion para hindi po nakakaluha. Make the eye rest before the next portion. Stretch the eyelid to achieve the perfect check po. After crimping the eyelashes, marahan pong paglagay ng mascara sa upper and lower lash. Mas magaan na kamay, much better to avoid patching. And mabusising paglagay po ng lower cluster lashes. Always check po para perfect. Kapag buong false lashes po ang gagamitin natin, mas magandang naka-cream. It na po muna before two sides. And upon checking it, hindi ko nga po nagustuhan kaya tinanggal ko. And then I use cluster lashes. Mabusisi at marahan nga rin po ang paglagay to achieve the perfect pilantik. Don't worry at first kung nakikita nyong shocking, may hihilot pa po yan. Pasensya po, nakalimutan ko talaga pagkuha sa detail ng brows. At dahil hindi po tayo masyadong nag-bake at naglagay ng kung ano-anong powder, makakablend po tayo ng maganda ng cream blush natin. For the nose line, from the columella pataas po, we wanted to create an oblong shape and an illusion partition on the upper part of the tip. Always use po light brown or light gray para maganda yung pag-shadow. And gradually lang po ang paglagay ng pigment, wag po natin bibigla. Paakyat po sa kilay pataas. And dyan sa portion ng under eye, naglagay lang po tayo ng konting shimmer. And then sa inner corner, dagdag po ng blush to achieve rosy cheek. And apply highlighter to achieve healthy blushing cheeks. Naglalagay din po ng konti sa may tip. Next po, bronzer to add warmth on the face. Just add saktong amount lang po para hindi naman brown tingnan yung face. We wanted to blend it on the blush on. Blend po the bronzer sa mga outer corner ng face. Pagdating po sa may noo, isama natin yung anit para hindi po mukhang separated foundation and the bronzer. Include po natin the hair or the scalp part. Smize and look up para po sa aegyosal. And para po mag-pop the under eye, naglagay po tayo ng orangey shimmer eyeshadow dyan. And to make it more tantalizing, shimmer is the key. And yung excess products po na meron sa sponge, cover the lips. Use any cream or baked blush to create lips illusion. E check po natin ng mabuti yung lips kung pantay talaga para makita natin yung imperfection. Kasi baka mamaya nag-i-illusion tayo pero hindi natin totally na-check kung pantay ba talaga yung lips. And by making an illusion will make it even more halata. So always check po. It may vary pa rin depende sa lips ni client. I am using cream blush para sa base ng lips ko. And I am using po eyeshadow